My name's Matt Perry and I'm the site manager for the I6A apartments. We put our last slab last week, 9 levels up, so that was done last week. We have our 2 precast lids to close out the structure being installed today, so that closed out the structure phase of the project. So, quite a milestone for the job so far, so that really leads us into all the internal works that we're sort of looking towards over the next sort of couple of months.
My name is Mark Montalto and I'm the site manager of Stage 4 here at Preston Crossing.
So at the moment we're near on completion of the LGS framing. We've got roof plumbers coming in on the tail end of them, covering the roof, contributing to get it watertight. We have various trades internally carrying out roughing works in preparation for plaster. So a new approach for this design, the complexity of this LGS build was the use of 3D modelling, which allowed us to really look into the skeleton of the structure to see where we can run services like plumbing, mechanical, electrical. The challenges that we've faced would be the actual logistics of site, getting materials in and deliveries and working that in with the other stagings of the build.
The area that we had at the beginning of the project, we're very lucky to have a lot of area to separate work faces, but now moving into the more condensed area that we are with the 2 buildings pretty much side by side, the RH&S perspective of that is that we've got to be diligent with all the works that are happening, coordinating it so that we're giving the workers a safe space to be working in. Over the next few months, the facade works will really start to take shape. The windows are sort of making their way up from level 5 to level 7 now, so that'll sort of lock up the building.
So we're going to focus on the cladding, sealing it, making it watertight, and setting up the final phases of the finishing touches internally.
That'll continue over the next sort of few months, and then the rooftop as well, where we have a lot of plant equipment will start to take shape. Pretty proud to be here from the start to see the master plan on the drawings compared to what we're at the moment. The 5 different buildings from the start was obviously going to be a challenge, but to see where we're at the moment and that idea that all of it's going to come together soon to create this precinct that has a fair bit of impact on the community, so something to be really proud of.